Hey guys, if you like my videos, click on subscribe and give me a like. And don't forget the bell so you can get notified of new ones. Hey everybody, how's it going? Dale here. For this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Windows 10 install flash drive. So if you say you just install the new SSD in your computer, laptop or desktop, you can boot from this flash drive and do a clean install of the latest version of Windows 10. You'll also be able to use it like if you just want to boot from it to do some repairs. If your computer became unbootable, you can boot from it to run command prompt repairs or restore a disk image, for example. Or you can just use it if you want to do a Windows 10 repair install over top of your existing installation. Or if you're still running Windows 7 or 8, you can just use it also to do a upgrade from 7 or 8 to the newest version of Windows 10. You can do that right within Windows 7 or Windows 8. You don't have to boot from it. So let's download the ISO from Microsoft, and you're going to need an 8 gigabyte flash drive or larger to create this drive. So let's open up my browser here. We're going to download it from Microsoft. So let's just a couple of ways to do this. If you just go to Google or whatever and search for the Windows 10 media creation tool, it comes right up right here. Also right here, just click it. And we're going to go right here to where it says Microsoft.com. Make sure you get it from Microsoft, not some other third party. So click on that link. It'll take us right down to the where the tool is right here. You're going to click on Download Tool Now. And once it's completed, here it is right here. I just had it download right to my desktop. Wherever you happen to download it to, this is what it's going to look like. And you can see it's the 1909 edition. That's the latest version of Windows 10 as of today. So in this case, I believe it's a 64. I have a 64 gig flash drive. It's empty. Now make sure it's a flash drive you don't have other stuff on, because it's going to wipe it clean to create this bootable flash drive. So let's double click the tool. Hit yes there. And this process does take a little bit. It's going to download everything that it needs. Then it's going to create the flash drive. Or if you're just doing this one time to upgrade your existing computer, like I said, from Windows 7 or 8, you can just run the update right using this tool. You don't have to create the flash drive, but it's handy to have that bootable drive. Just in case. I use it all the time. All the time. And depending on the speed of your internet connection and your computer, the time it takes to do this, once it starts getting into the download and the creation, I'll speed the video up a little bit for you. So we're going to accept the terms. Going to get a few things ready. Make sure you have your flash drive in your USB port at this point, of course. I just wanted to have this video on my channel, so it was handy. I know it's all over the place. So like I said, if you got Windows 7 or Windows 8, you can choose this, upgrade your PC now. Or in this case, we're going to create a flash drive, so we're going to choose that and click next. And you can uncheck this if you want and choose a different edition, 32 or both. I'm just going to do the 64-bit. Going to click next. And here, if you want to create an ISO, do a DVD, you can do that, but let's just do it the simple way on a flash drive. Like it says here, you got to have at least 8 gigabyte or bigger. So choose that and click next. And here's my flash drive. Choose it. I'm going to hit next. Now it's going to go through the process of actually downloading Again, depending on your speed, your internet, this can take a little bit. So I'm going to let this go. And when this is done, I'll show you a few things. There, now it's just going to create the files on the flash drive, and then it'll be done. Says our flash drive is ready, so click finish, and it has to do a little cleanup here real quick. So if we browse to your computer here, here's the flash drive, and here's the setup. So if you just want to do like a repair install, or you have Windows 7 or several computers you have to do, you can just do this once on the flash drive and then just double click on the setup and away you go. So keep that flash drive in a safe place in case your computer ever became unbootable for whatever reason. You can boot off that and do all kinds of repairs, or restore a disk image, for example. I hope that video or this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.